You guys, I have a secret about KKW Beauty. She's rebranding everything and she's having the biggest sale she's ever had on her website, 50 to 75% off on all of her products. You know your girl had to grab some KKW Beauty before everything goes at Ulta, obviously. Let's create a really beautiful KKW Beauty look with the current products that I have. So I grabbed the KKW Beauty Classic Eyeshadow Palette for $22. That was such a steal. In with the shade Calabasas, so this is a toasty nudie. I'm also going to apply Calabasas underneath to connect and create smokiness on the lower lash line. Go back forth. I'm just working from this section to this section. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Chicago. Not only is it her daughter's name, but it is the place where I live. So shout out to Chi-Town and to Chi herself. I love that it's named Chicago. That's awesome. So I'm gonna apply this with a flat brush and I'm gonna pat it in the inner part of the eye. Saint, which is this beautiful coppery rose gold shade. I'm going in with a flat brush and I'm gonna apply this shade from the middle part of my eye outwards. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna do a cat eye on top and then a very smoky under eye with the Jen Atkins e.l.f. Pencil, and it is the Zero Effort liner in the black. Put on some Ardell Wispies mascara just to finish the eyes off. So this is the current eye look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So let's move on to face and complexion. Okay, so I really love her contour powder. This is the shade number 2. I'm not a big fan of her cream contour sticks. Please don't come after me. Maybe with the new reformulation that she's doing, it'll be better, but this is one of my favorite products to use. This number 2 shade. It just works really well for my pale complexion. So let me show you how I contour with this. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the product high above the cheekbones, right here. Take it down. This is gonna be a really soft contour look. I don't want anything crazy. Jawline. Next I'm gonna go into the KKW blush in Flower Wall. This was a limited edition blush for her wedding collection. It's a beautiful like peachy, just nude everyday color. For my lip today, I'm going to be using the KKW lip liner in shade number 2, KKW lipstick in shade number 1, and then the KKW lip gloss in the shade Secret, which was part of the Winnie Harlow collection that she had for. Okay guys, here's the finished makeup using all KKW Beauty. I'm so excited to see what she has in store for 2021 and rebranding all of her products, making them clean and vegan. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look and if you're excited for the new rebranding.